Hey guys, today I'm really excited. We're going to do more stuff with the Greenworks products. I'm really enjoying working with these guys. The products are just really fantastic. Today specifically, I'm going to be doing some stuff with the stand-up 60-inch mower. One of the things I want to do is I want to see how it handles hilly terrains. So I calculated it out, and this hill has about a 20-degree slope to it, and that's right at what they say the unit can do on the 60-inch. I looked in the manual, the smaller units, they are recommended up to 15 degrees of slope, but the rep tells me they'll do way more than that. That's just what the book recommends. So anyway, guys, we had a little bit of rain. This is kind of the wild summer grass, which tends to be more slippery anyway. So this will be a real true test on its sure-footedness and to feel how stable it is on the ground. So I'm looking forward to trying it. So you know me, guys, let's jump in, let's get busy. Okay guys, I am in the #1 speed, slowest speed it does for climbing. I just want to be nice and gentle and stable, and we'll see how it does going up the hill. So I'm just going to ease up to it, and this is pretty steep, but as you can see, it handles it like it's just nothing to it. And again, that was at almost 19 degrees. Now I want to do one other test while I've got the camera in this position, and I want to swing around and I want to see how it does. I want to show you guys something as well, but I want to see how it does. What will happen if we come up here about midway and then just kind of stop? Now, if you let off of it, it'll start drifting back down the hill. You have to release these, the hands for making it go back and forth. When they spread back out, it automatically locks the brakes and we're just as solid. I want you to see the unit is not nose heavy, even at this incline. It is just as stable as it can be. And for me to pick up, I'm just gonna go in and it'll pick right up, and it doesn't even spin. Very sure traction. All right, one thing I want to do is I want to run back up to the top again, and I've got the camera in a position to where you can see how I'm setting it when I'm going down the hill. I'm going to release the brake. I can stop no problem. This thing has a very nice cushiony pad. It's very comfortable when I'm leaned up against it. This is a very solid bar to grab a hold of. There's actually two, and so I feel very comfortable even on this incline of a position. And the machine is not, it's just solid as it can be. And so I'm gonna just ease on down the hill, and it does that just fine. The next thing I wanna show you guys is let's see how it does when we go across the hill sideways. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to come straight at you, and I'm kind of leaning up, you know, I'm trying to stand straight up and down with the machine level. This is very comfortable. It's no problem to do this, and very, very stable. Let's see how it does when I come down the hill, and then I'm going to transition. All right, I'm going to now with the ground wet, it's not wanting to turn to the left, but I don't know any, now it will. I don't know that any zero turn would even make that turn. That was not bad. It slipped a little bit. Remember, the grass is wet, but it's very stable, feels very comfortable, even sideways on the hills. All right, guys, now let's go see how it mows on the hills. Now I'm having to, you know, hold on good, but I'm very stable on top of this. And one of my issues here is trying to hold the camera and try to hold on at the same time. So I'm gonna set you guys down on the ground, try to give you a good view of everything, and we'll get this hill knocked out. I'm actually gonna do a couple up and downs, and we'll do some sideways just to see how it does. So now, with me not having to hold onto the camera as well, this is much, much easier. And mowing it sideways like this is just as stable as it can be. doing now is I'm standing me vertical, let the machine lean with the terrain, and it's very comfortable. Machine feels very stable. So you can see it does a beautiful job, and this has got a lot of the wild summer grass growing in it, which is not the best grass to be mowing as far as to have a beautiful finish, but even with that, look how nice and even it cut it, and that's even transitioning through this low spot. So it's an unbelievable nice mower, and it's just so neat and quiet and everything else. Now, let me show you real quick. The one thing that I'm having a hard time, and this is me, it's not the machine. Let's see if I can show you here. Get the camera down. So obviously this is a hard point to hold onto the machine. This is a hard point to hold onto the machine. These are your two controls. And when you are motivating forward, it's just so easy to grab this and do backing up. But the transition from front to back, and while you're on a heel, there's something I'm not doing right. And the Greenworks regional rep is going to be here shortly, and while he's here, we're going to talk about this right here, and I'm going to see if I can get a better answer. So guys, stay tuned, more to come. So I had a nice long talk with the Greenworks rep, and everything I was doing was right on the money. It's just a matter of a learning curve and getting the feel for it. So my advice, just from the time that I've used, is if you decide to get a stand-up unit, whether it's gas powered or electric, if you're going on level ground, you should have no problems rocking and rolling immediately. It should feel very comfortable. If you have areas that have hills on them, just take it slow, and you'll slowly get the feel, and your comfort level will increase. So guys, as I move forward, I have got quite a bit of more videos to be making as I test more and more of the Greenworks product line. Give you a little spoiler alert, I got my hands on a pole saw yesterday, and wow, that thing is so light, made out of carbon fiber, the rod is, and it did not tax my shoulders at all, and it had so much power. I can't wait to get all that on video footage for you guys to see as well. So I hope you're enjoying this series of working with the Greenworks products. I'm very impressed with them so far. So guys, more videos to come. You know me here at Project Next One. There's always one more. Keep an eye out. Be posting regularly now, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.